Okay, so actually, I wanted to start with this first because this is our discussion topic today. It's all about looking at videos and then thinking something about the keeping a dog. So Jejun, you don't have a dog, right?
I don't have a dog, but I have a pet.
You have a cat.
The fish, but then I don't know. I think it's a carnivore, but then when I feed him a piece of meat, which is a wasp, because today our house is a wasp, and then my mom killed it, and they put it in the fish there. But then the fish haven't even eat the wasp yet. Just
Eat
leave
the
the
eat the what?
yeah.
The fish will eat the what?
Yeah, because the fish is, I think it's a carnivore.
Yes, the fish is a carnivore. What did you put in the fish bowl?
The wasps.
No. Okay. All right. So I understand what you're trying to say. You're talking about this word, right?
The
This
wasp,
word,
wasp insect.
yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're saying wops. You need to say was. Can you say was?
Wasp.
Huh.
Wasp.
Wasps.
Wasp.
You're saying wops. You're switching the letters around. It's very common in Singapore. Wasp.
Wasp.
Well done. Well done. Yes. Well done. Very
How
good.
come the fish don't eat the wasp? The wasp.
Wasp.
The wasp.
Wasp.
How come the fish eat the wasp?
The fish don't eat the wasp because maybe it's got a sting. They know it's got a sting, so they don't want to touch it.
What the mosquito?
Oh, I think they'd love mosquitoes. Have you tried to give them a mosquito?
What about the shrimp? A live shrimp.
Yes. Yes, they might try to eat a shrimp. Yes, but I think normally fish and shrimps don't talk to each other.
Wait, they talk when they bite?
Yeah, I don't think so. But let's explore that, shall we?
Yeah. But the problem is like the two beta fish, like the fighting fish, the fish they can fight, right? I don't know why if maybe one of them is bigger or stronger, kill the smaller one. I don't know whether the bigger one will eat the smaller one.
Ah, okay. So the answer to that question of yours, which is a good one, is that if the fish is big enough, it will eat shrimps, but little fish don't eat shrimp. So I don't think your fish will eat a shrimp. If it's
about like, I think this big.
well, they might try. If you're really talking about the little shrimps, they might. Yes.
Yeah, I think those like
about a prawn. No.
Those fried one, like those mini one.
Mini ones. Yeah, that would be okay. That would be okay. They would probably think yum. And especially if you peel it for them, wow, even better. Easy, just get in. But they might eat the shell if they've got big enough teeth.
Why do they eat the shell? But it's so weird.
Well, they're able to digest the shell. We don't eat the shell, do we?
Oh, one time actually too lazy to take the shell because I don't know why the shell is so hard to peel and ate the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's not fine also.
Yes.
But
yeah.
I spit out some of the shell, but then eat a bit.
Why don't we eat shrimp shells and tails? Let's find out, because people always leave the tail on their plate, don't they? The shell of a shrimp is usually removed before serving to make it easy eating and neater. But maybe it's crunchy, you could enjoy it. Yes, you can eat shrimp tails. Would you like to eat a shrimp tail?
Well, in front, of course, I'm eating it.
Hmm.
But usually I just bite away the tail, then okay, then throw it.
Yeah.
But then when it's fried, then I eat the whole thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is giving me a lot of advertisements. I don't like advertisements. Do you? Let's go back. Yes, so why not? Food Republic. Yeah, so they're talking about, yeah, it's possible if you deep fry it, then it's possible to eat the tail and the shell. And if the shrimps are small enough, we can eat the shell. But a prawn shell is really very hard to bite and digest. So I don't think we'll
I
take that.
ate that one.
Yeah, prawn.
It's
My
quite okay. Yeah.
Is it?
Not
Is
that
it?
bad, but it's quite hard to eat.
Yeah.
But I think I usually don't eat it.
No.
I think
So,
the fried one can eat the whole thing.
yeah. Let's see if I can. No, I can't get back. Hang on a minute. Because I lost everything when I restarted the computer. Okay. Let's try getting this one. Okay, so I think I told you before I had 4 dogs. Do you remember I told you I had 4 dogs?
Oh, I think I forgot.
It's okay. I forget things too. Anyway, I had 4 dogs, and 2 of them were border collies, and one of them was a half collie, and the other one was a Malaysian jungle dog.
Oh, I never saw about the Malaysian jungle dog, but the collie one, I think I heard it. I was
Okay.
about dog, but then it's actually in another country, not here.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So the orang asli in the Malaysian jungle use this dog for hunting. I'll show it to you. Let's see the.
Wait, it's red. It's red?
Well, when you have a look, you'll see. Okay, so what did my dog look like? Not quite like any of these. Not
It looks
quite
like the one
Yeah,
this
bit similar to
pink
this
page
guy.
one.
Uh-huh.
Like this one.
Yeah.
It looks like those sometimes the police use the things to like sniff out the bad guys. Then
Oh, yeah. You're right, Jejan. Yes, a bit similar to this kind of dog, but not exactly this breed. So when we talk about
white
dog,
color.
yeah, we say breed. The white color one, exactly. That is a
White
different
color.
dog, but they're good at sniffing. So this dog as well is really, really smart. And I ought to be able to find you a. Let's go back to all images. You might be able to see how smart they are. They are an extremely intelligent dog. Okay.
How much the IQ?
Yeah, I don't know, but because our border collies were very intelligent.
IQ 200.
Sorry?
The orangutans are
IQ is 200. Yeah.
so high?
Can you believe it?
No, I don't think.
No,
I'll
I'm not sure. I mean, they can't have a job, can they? So
what can't they talk?
Yeah.
I think
exactly.
they do hand signs to human.
They're always trying to make animals look as intelligent as humans, but there isn't an animal as intelligent as a human. However, dogs have better noses. So you mentioned the police dog. You mentioned the police dog, right? So that dog is very good at sniffing.
Oh, the dog also do something like the dog maybe like on the grass, right? Then when he wants like when it's like maybe on the grass, it like just scratch the grass. It might, I think it might mean something that maybe that dog was there to make the other people that he was actually there.
Yes. Well, they really do incredible things. So you can train them as well. So we have a quick look at this border collie.
Wait, the dogs also can. I think they can also sniff the bomb out, right? The bomb.
Yes, they can be trained to sniff for bombs and all kinds of things. Okay, this is the one. Let me see if I can find him. So they trained him. Hurricane. His name is Hurricane. The best dog act in dog history. He was on America's Got Talent, and he's just so clever.
Oh, the Americans Got Talent, that one.
Yes. So I'm just going to turn the sound down so you and I can talk as we're watching. So this guy trained his border collie, Hurricane, and they have a little act together. So you can see, oh yeah. Okay, so he said, come on, what are you going to do?
Who's the guy over there, the one carrying that farming? farming.
He's the dog trainer. He's
Oh,
the
then
dog
what's his
trainer.
name?
His name is Adrian.
Mm.
Okay.
It's lucky to be him,
So-
so he got the dog.
Yeah. So he's mowing the lawn, and look, the dog knows how to mow the lawn. Yeah, okay, he's there. He's helping him fix the lawnmower. Then he's got helping him with a spanner. Here, you fix it. Okay, with a hammer. Right, knock it. Then he likes to trick him.
Oh, the dog is so smart.
He's very, very smart. So let me have, he's having a look underneath. So what's the matter with this thing? Now he's playing. Look, he's playing. Said, okay, forget the machine. It's not working. So what are we going to do instead? We want to cut the grass. How are we going to
Use
manage
the
it?
tool, I think only use the humans tool. You do it by using human.
Yes. So
What's
this
that?
man
Oh.
trained him. Look, now he's tying him up. He tripped him over.
Then what breed is the dog?
This is the collie.
Oh,
This is the collie. So they are the smartest dogs. They have the highest IQ of all the dogs. And this is the dog that I had, Jejun. This is the same
the
dog I
dog
had.
was very smart.
Very, very, very smart.
How high the IQ?
I don't know about IQ, but they really are. They understand the situation. They understand language. When you talk to them, they know what you're talking about. If you're talking about them, they know. Oh, look at him! He knocked him over. What a clever dog!
The dog, like when the owner wants him to do something, he does not do it. When the owner does not want him to do something, he did it.
Yeah. So he's playing around, and this man trained this dog to do all of these tricks.
Is it easy to train these kind of dogs?
You have to have patience.
Is it easier to train these kind of dogs?
You have to have patience.
What's patience?
Be patient. Be
Oh,
patient.
the patient, the feeling patient, or the doctor's patient?
Oh no, it means that you must be very calm, and you must be
Oh, the
prepared
feeling
try and
patient.
try and try again. So they will, because they're very smart, they can pick some things up quickly. So if I want to train a dog, I will. So you see, he's first of all on a leash. They put him on a leash, then they'll walk him, and they will, because on the farm they're trained to look after sheep and herd the sheep. They're very clever.
Oh, I think I saw this. I think I saw these kind of dogs. This
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah. They are
This is
working dogs.
usually I see on this one.
Yeah. So you first ask them to do something. If they do something right, you give them a treat, a little biscuit or something, very small thing, and then they will do it again for the treat because they know the treat is coming.
What
Oh,
if I do another one? Another kind.
another kind. You mean another kind of dog?
Also, you must use you must do give him you show him something, you give him the treat, then he'll do the thing.
Exactly.
Or then after that you give him a treat, then he'll do it again.
And yeah, then he'll remember that, oh, if I do this, you give me a treat. So I'm going to do it again.
Or give 5 treats.
How to train a dog with treats. So you see, I mean, you can't do this with cats. You can't train cats.
Wait, what? Wait,
You can't train
cat
cats.
treat?
No, not possible. But you can train a dog. Sometimes people don't use treats.
How?
It's the easiest way is give them a treat and they will do something again. Every time they do something right, then
Them a treat.
yeah. So another treat, instead of giving them food, is you say, good dog, good boy, good girl.
Then
They like that.
wait, then how do you know your dog is a girl or boy? You must call them if it's a girl, then you must call it a girl like that.
When you get the dog, you've got to find out if it's a girl or boy.
Also, you must call the dog if it's a girl, then you call him a good girl.
Yes, that's right.
Also, the
Good
dog won't